Namaskar. Do you want feel calm and focused?
Then come, let's learn 5 simple and powerful yogasan with My Bharat volunteer. This yogasan called Tarasana. It helps remove body's tiredness and make us more active and focused. This yogasan called Vritsasana. It boosts concentration and improves neuromuscular coordination. This yogasan called Bhujangasana. It activates digestive, reproductive, urinary system, enhancing the body's internal energy. This yogasana called Ardhalasana. It improves digestion, it relieves diabetes and thought issues. It is beneficial for those with high blood pressure. This yogasana called Naukasana. Naukasana strengthens the back, intestine while activating, balancing all the organs of the body.
Stay fit, stay focused.
The yoga way. Hashtag yoga for
One earth.
One health.